Samsung delivered a genuinely improved phone this year with the Galaxy S23 series, which came with upgrades in most of the major categories, making it one of the best Android phones in 2023. One of the few things that we did not see a meaningful step forward, though, was the display. Now, of course, the Galaxy S22 already came with awesome screens, especially the Ultra model, so it is not that easy to make them even better when the bar is set so high. Nevertheless, it turns out that the S23 series does come with a newer display than that of its predecessor, as pointed out by Samsung Display via Sam Mobile. Despite being the same resolution and having the same maximum brightness and HDR support, the Galaxy S23's screen is significantly superior when it comes to power efficiency. This improvement is thanks to faster electrons in the organic layer of the OLED panel. The result is 13 to 16% less power hungry, while it still achieves the same level of brightness as before. There might be other changes that are contributing to this improvement. For example, Dylan Ragna from XDA Developers, an expert in display tech, some of that newfound power efficiency might also be contributed to larger green subpixels and new red ones. Ragna states that in total, it takes 0.6 watt less power for the S23 screen to reach 1,150 nits of brightness when compared to Apple's iPhone 14 Pro. Additionally, this new display the S23 lineup comes with also has a feature called Vision Booster, which helps with more accurate color representation when there is a ton of light. The phone has passed eye care certification as well. It seems that this new display tech plays quite the role when it comes to that vastly improved battery life on the S23 lineup. Also, here's a quick 100x zoom moon camera test comparison of the S23 ULTRA versus Mate 50 Pro. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Comment below. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.